Hey, and welcome back to another tutorial video. In this video, we will find out the best subscription billing for SaaS businesses by comparing Chargebee and Recurly. If you're looking for the best subscription billing tool in 2025, then watch this video till the end and hit that subscribe button so you won't miss any future uploads. And let's get into this. Chargebee targets its services at SaaS, education, e-commerce, media and publishing, and OTT/video customers looking for subscription and billing. Management services. This is quite a wide niche already, but when you take into account the fact that Chargebee also offers extremely diverse pricing models, you can see that it's an option with very broad appeal. Chargebee pricing can run from a free trial or a £499 month package for businesses with smaller turnovers, right through to custom packages for large and established businesses. You'll be able to effectively build out the package you need using your preferred payment gateway too, to make sure your setup is optimal for your unique business needs. Chargebee is not a payment gateway. To use Chargebee, you'll also need a merchant account and payment gateway. Chargebee is PCI DSS Level 1 compliant, which means that your financial data is always safe. It also has 99.9% uptime, so you and your customers do not need to worry about service disruption, and is fully compliant with all required law covering security, privacy, tax, and so on. It has 3 plans that include Starter, no fee for first £200,000 billing cumulative, then 0.75%, Performance, £499 per month for up to £80,000 billing, then 0.75% Enterprise. Custom pricing and packages. Recurly offers subscription and adjacent services for startups, SMEs, mid-sized businesses, and enterprise-level companies. Pretty much wherever your business is at right now, Recurly can help with different package levels targeting businesses with varying turnover values. As with Chargebee, you'll need to pick a payment gateway to use in conjunction with Recurly. Supported options include Adyen, Braintree, CyberSource, First Data, and Stripe, which means many businesses can integrate their pre-existing payment processor seamlessly when they sign up with Recurly. You can use Recurly safely, knowing that the company has been built to meet or exceed industry-standard payment security practices to protect you and your customers. Recurly also has 3 different plans that include Starter, no platform fee for first 3 months, up to £40,000 billing per month, then volume fee of 0.9% applies. After 3 months, £249 per month plus volume fees. Profession and elite pricing available on request. Recurly only publicly releases pricing for its lowest tier of account. All other plans are agreed with custom features and pricing. Through that basic one-on-one comparison, you can easily choose what suits you the best. Thank you so much for watching this video, and make sure to subscribe for more quick and easy tutorials like this.